Welcome to another lesson where we're going to be looking at order of operations. So when you have a question that involves multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction, there is an accepted order of calculating. So you're going to realize when you have multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So one happens before the other one. Like when you have multiplication and division, usually multiplication and division, they take place first before addition and subtraction. We call that the order of precedence. Order of precedence. Okay. And an acronym for that is Bodmas. Bodmas, which represents brackets of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Okay, so when you have a question that involves any of the four operations, you need to know what takes place first. So let's say we have a question like 2 minus 3 times 1 plus 4. It's advisable that where there is a multiplication and division, you can put it inside the brackets. So if I put 3 times 1 inside the brackets, it means if I simplify, I'm going to take down 2, and here I'm going to say 3 multiplied by 1, and I'm going to have 3 plus 4. And according to the order of precedence, we are saying addition takes place first. So I'm going to move this one plus 4 closer to 2 like this, and then I subtract last. So here we're going to say 2 plus 4, you're going to get 6, and then you say minus 3, and you get your final answer is 3. So this is example number 1. I'm going to look again at another example number 2. Let's say we have a number 3 minus 2 divided by 2 plus 1 times 2. So the same thing, we're going to put where there is division inside the brackets and where there is multiplication inside the bracket, and we're going to say 3 minus, and you say 2 divided by 2, you get 1, and you say plus, which is this one, and you say 1 multiplied by 2, you get 2, and if you are adding first, you're going to move this plus 2 closer to 3 minus 1, and here you're going to get 3 plus 2 being equal to 5 minus 1, and you get your answer is 4. Another example, 4 divided by 2 times 2 plus 1 minus 4. We are going to put this first part inside the bracket, and then we simplify, because here we have got addition, we have got division followed by multiplication, so we can't put brackets for division and brackets for multiplication. We have to do that in steps. So we're going to handle this part first. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Then you multiply this by that 2. Then you say plus 1 minus 4. And here you're going to put brackets again there. You say 2 times 2, you get 4, plus 1 minus 4. And here you're going to say 4 plus 1, you get 5, minus 4, you get your answer as 1. So each and every time when you are given a question that has got numbers inside the brackets, you solve what is inside the brackets first. So like a question that says 2 times minus 2 plus 6 divided by 3 minus 8 divided by 2. You're going to simplify the brackets first. So here I'm going to say 2 times minus 2, I get minus 4. Then I write down this plus. Then I say 6 divided by 3, I get my answer is 2. Then I write this negative, which is minus. Then I say 8 divided by 2, I get my answer is 4. And here it's much easier if you start by writing the positive number if all the other numbers are negative. So you're going to say 2 minus 4 minus 4. And if you deal with this first part first, you say 2 minus 4, you get your answer is minus 2. Then you say minus 4, then minus 2 minus 4, you get your answer is minus 6. Don't forget to continue using the number line if you get stuck. But as time goes on, when you understand how these questions are calculated, you're not going to need the number line anymore, because you can do it from the head. So I'm going to look at another example. 2 plus 3 divided by 5 plus 2 times 1 minus 4. So you simplify by removing the brackets. So you're going to say 2 plus 3, you get 5, divided by 5 plus, say, 2 times, and here inside the bracket you're going to say 1 minus 4, you get your answer as minus 3. So next you're going to put division and multiplication inside the brackets. Here you say 5 divided by 5, you get your answer as 1. And here you say plus. then you say 2 times minus 3, you get your answer is minus 6. So here when you remove the bracket, you're going to realize that the negative always is more power. It's like you're multiplying positive by negative, and you're going to end up with 1 minus 6, and 1 minus 6 is equal to minus 5. So we are going to end here today, and I expect you to continue using the number line, and I'm going to give you questions that you are going to attempt, and then we look at the questions together as we go forward. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next lesson. Bye.